Welcome to the spectacular world of 1000 Vlogs. Bandai Namco Cross-Store Hakata is a haven for anime enthusiasts, offering an immersive experience that blends shopping, arcade gaming, and exhibitions. The store features a diverse range of merchandise from anime, video games, and TV shows. Visitors can enjoy various attractions such as prize-winning games and a themed cafe. The store also boasts an extensive collection of figures and capsule machines. Additionally, it hosts special events like the ongoing Kirby tribute and offers VR experiences for kids. Know before you go, visit during weekdays or non-peak hours to avoid crowds. Budget time and money accordingly for claw machine games which require strategy to win prized figures. Be mindful of the return policy when making purchases. Seek assistance from management if needed. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Bandai Namco Cross-Store Hakata is a paradise for anime enthusiasts of all ages, offering an array of attractions from Macross merchandise to arcade games and themed cafes. Visitors can enjoy browsing through over 100 capsule toy machines, trying their luck at claw machines, and immersing themselves in various character tributes like Kirby and One Piece. Please like, share and subscribe. The store also provides interactive experiences such as VR sets for kids and engaging games with the chance to win coveted anime figures. While some reviewers noted challenges with return policies, overall, visitors praised the diverse offerings and fun-filled atmosphere of this expansive store. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other Fukuoka, Japan playlist. Canal City Hakata is a large shopping and entertainment complex, calling itself a city within the city. Attractions include about 250 shops, cafes and restaurants, a theatre, cinemas, the Grand Hyatt Fukuoka and a canal running through the complex. Visitors who are planning on shopping will likely be able to find something of interest in one of Canal City's many stores, whether it be in a shop unique to Japan or a branch of an international company. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. Canal City has been designed to create a spacious and interesting atmosphere with creative and unique colors and shapes. The artificial canal runs right through the middle of the 5-floored entertainment complex, creating a lot of open space. At the center of the canal there is a fountain with water shows every 30 minutes from 10 o'clock until 22 o'clock. Have you been to Fukuoka, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.